Hello everyone, welcome to our channel codersarcade. In this session, I will be talking about one of the important topics in object-oriented programming concepts in Java, which is abstraction in Java. So I have already covered many other topics in object-oriented programming concepts. Today I will be talking about how we can incorporate abstraction in Java. So before starting the video, I would like to request you people to please like and share our videos with your friends and family. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications regarding our latest updates. So without any more wasting of time, let's get ahead and start with our today's topic. So this will be a part one of the entire topic. So abstraction in Java can be done with the help of two methods, which is abstract classes and interfaces. So in this session, the part one, I will be talking about abstraction with the help of abstract classes, and in the part 2 I will be talking about interfaces. Okay, so let me tell you what exactly abstraction is. So as you can see here, I have prepared some notes in my text file in my IntelliJ IDE. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. That means, let me give you a simple example. Suppose we use the remote control of our television in order to change channels, increase the volume, decrease the volume, and so and so. But do we even bother about what is actually happening in the back end of the process? No, right? Because we are least bothered about that. It is because we only want what functionality we are pressing the button for has to happen, right? So if we're pressing channel number 302, it should lead us or take us to the channel 302. That's it. We don't want to know what actually is happening at the back end of the software or whatever it is. So that kind of process is known as abstraction. So abstraction, as you can see here, the definition is given. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. That means we just want to change from one channel to another. That's it. It can be anything else also. While sending a message to a user, as you can see here, I have another example. So suppose I am sending a message to one of my friends or anyone, my parents or anyone. So in that case, I don't want to know what is actually happening in the network side of the things or whatever it is. I just want my message to be sent to my user, the end user, whoever it is. So that is it. This is called abstraction, hiding the implementation details or the backend information so that we just know the functionality. So the button does this and does that. We just click it and we get the output or the result. That's it. So as you can see here, it says abstraction lets you focus on what the object does instead of how it does it. So we are focusing on what actually the button is trying to do here, not how it is doing it. So that is actually abstraction. It lets us focus on what actually the thing is doing rather than how it is being done. That's it. I hope now you have got a better idea about this. So in case of Java, we can achieve abstraction with the help of two ways. So these are, as you can see here, abstract class and then the interface. So as I said, this is part one of the video. I will be talking about abstract classes, and then in the part 2 I will be talking about interfaces, because these two are very important topics, and if you don't have any idea about this, you will get confused with the further classes and also the implementation of this abstract class and the interfaces. So these two topics will be used over and over again in our curriculum, and also if you want to learn more and more about Java object oriented programming, so it's better to learn them with a distinct way so that we never forget it, right? So let us go step by step. So today I will be starting with abstract class, and then in the next class I will be going on with interface. So the first one, as I said, it is abstract classes and methods. So as I told you in the definition earlier, I have written it once again here. Data abstraction is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. So just what it is doing, not how it is doing. That's it. So in this case, there is a keyword called abstract. As you can see here, it is a non-access modifier. So we already know about access modifiers, public, private, and all those. So this abstract keyword is used only for classes and methods. So in front of classes and in front of methods, we can use this abstract keyword. Now let us move on to abstract class. What is an abstract class, by the way? So abstract class is a restricted class that cannot be used to create objects. Please mind it, in case of an abstract class, if we declare a class as an abstract class, we cannot create objects to that class. So as I have written in the brackets, you can see here, to access it or to access that particular abstract class or that method, it must be inherited from another class. So I will get to it as I show you an example, then you will understand better about that. And let me tell you about abstract method. What is abstract method? Abstract method can only be used in an abstract class. So whenever we have created an abstract class, in that class itself we can create an abstract method. And please remember, an abstract method will never have any body inside it, as you can see here. So, as see here, you can see the body of that particular abstract method is provided in the subclass, which will be inheriting this thing from the superclass or the parent class, as you can see. So, just like I said, an abstract class can have abstract methods as well as regular methods. But just remember that an abstract method can only exist inside an abstract class, okay? So this is a simple example. As you can see, this is a class animal, and before that, I'm creating this to be a abstract class by using the abstract keyword. And after that, I have this method which is abstract void animal sound. So as you can see here, there is no method for this or no body for this. And again, I have this void sleep method where I am just printing a statement ZZZ. So this is a kind of the sleeping sound that an animal can produce. Okay, it's as simple as that. So as I told, if we create any object for this class animal, it will raise an error. Just see here, I'm calling the animal class and creating one object, my object equal to new animal. So this will actually generate an error. We cannot create an object for an abstract class, as I told you earlier. Please remember that. So in order to create or access the abstract class, it must be inherited from another class. So for that, let us go to a very simple example which will help you to understand about the abstraction using abstract classes and methods very easily. So as you can see here, I have one program where this is the animal abstract class, and here I have this method, as you can see here, animal sound. How do we know that this is abstract? We can know by this keyword, which is abstract. So as you can see here, it does not have any body. And now we have another regular method. As I told you, abstract classes can have both regular and abstract methods inside it. But abstract methods can reside only inside abstract classes. Okay. So this is the regular method where I am just printing this sound. Okay. Then after that, what I am doing is for this animal, I am creating a child class. So how do we do it? We use it with the extends keyword. So this rat class extends this animal class. So whatever properties we have in the animal class will be inherited by the rat class. So as you can see here, here I am defining the body of the method in the abstract class. As you can see, this is animal sound. Here I am taking this animal sound method, and here I am defining the body. As you can see here, system.out.println. Now I say the rat says wee. So this is the rat class. Therefore, I am using this abstract method, which is animal sound, which was there in my abstract class animal, and then I am defining the body in this child class. So in order to access any abstract method, we have to use it with the help of a child class, as I told you in the definition. Now, after that, I am simply taking one more class where I will take my main method, and here, just see here, rat, my rat. So, rat is the class and my rat is the object, and with this, I am instantiating or creating a new object for the rat class. Now, I am using this myRat object and using the dot operator followed by this method. So if I again show you, if I write myRat dot, I will get these two methods. See, sleep and animal sound. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Now, what do you think will be the output of this? For this animal sound, it will refer to this one. See, this is the body of animal sound. Here I have the rat says wee wee. So for the first one, I will get the rat says wee wee, and for the sleep method, it will go to the abstract class. And here I have this public void sleep method. Here I have ZZZ. It can be anything. Just to show you a simple example, I took this letters ZZZ. It can be anything else. You can take anything here. Okay, so let me run this for you. As I said, for the first method, animal sound, I am getting the rat says wee wee, and for the second one, sleep, I am getting ZZZ. So it is as simple as that. I hope you have understood this. So let me repeat it once again. Abstract classes can have abstract methods as well as regular methods, and in order to access a abstract method, we have to use a child class which will inherit that method from the abstract class. Okay, now comes the question, very important. Why do we use abstraction and when? Let me just go to my text. Here I have this. Just see, in order to achieve security, we do this. So, as I said in my definition only, we hide certain details and only show the important detail of an object. So, in that case, many inbuilt properties can be secured from the user. We just don't want to show them all these things. Whatever the user requires should be shown to them. Okay, so in that case, we use abstraction. So, in this part 1, I have taught you regarding abstraction with the help of abstract classes and methods. In my next video tutorial, I will be teaching you about interfaces, which is another way of achieving abstraction in object-oriented programming in Java. I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video because we have put lots and lot of effort in creating this kind of videos, then please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon, and you will receive notifications regarding our latest updates. Thank you. This is Saurabh signing off. Have a nice day and happy learning. Bye bye.